In this video, I am going to teach you how to import text and Markdown files into Notion so you can transfer your notes or documents quickly and easily. It's a great way to keep everything organized in one place. Let's get started. First, open Notion.so and sign in to your account. Make sure you're on the desktop or browser version for best visibility. Next, scroll down to the left-hand menu and click on Settings and Members. This will open the settings panel for your workspace. Then, in the left panel, click on Import from the list of choices. This is where you can upload content from other platforms or file types. Now choose Text and Markdown from the available import options. This allows you to bring in .txt or .md files easily. Finally, choose the file from your computer that you want to import. Once selected, Notion will automatically upload and convert it into a new page. And that's how you import text and Markdown in Notion. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and useful tutorials. See you next time!